What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on MMTLP and FINRA saga.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
And in today's video I will show you the latest news directly related to this saga. And on top of that I will show you the latest updates from FINRA, and I will show you that FINRA is basically digging themselves down, and in my opinion it is extremely important for us as a community. So, and before we dive deep right here, I want to show you this chart. It is the trends, Google Trends, and right here you can see three keywords. It is MMTLP, next breach, and FINRA fraud. And as you can see, MMTLP searching term was extremely popular at the end of 2022, but right now we have diminishing volume of this word. And this means it is extremely difficult to find out the necessary information, and that's why I ask you to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends and family. On top of that, drop me a line in the comment section that you want me to continue to do these type of videos, because in my opinion it is extremely important to unite. It is extremely important to fight together against this fraudulent activity, and I will do my best if I will see that my work is useful for the community. That's why just hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends and family, and drop me a line in the comment section that you like my work. So, and let's start with the latest news. First of all, I want to show you Jennifer Vetrano Twitter account, and she published this tweet 11 hours ago that is, in my opinion, quite useful for the community, because we can see that it is not only the MMTLP problem, it is the problem of entire market. And let me quote you this. So, how many more times are brokers, FINRA, SEC going to be able to financially harm retail investors? I am just wondering, when is enough? And right here you can see several ticker symbols, and she reposted this tweet that was published 11 hours ago by Spence, and it says: brokers are holding retail traders hostage on SBNY puts via margin requirements that were changed specifically on Tuesday, March 14th. So it is another evidence that FINRA and basically authorities in general are using some illegal activity in order to protect themselves, and probably in order to protect some big hedge funds that might be the main beneficiary of this illegal activity. On top of that, let me show you this news. We are on Roger James Hamilton Twitter account, and here you can find the tweet that was published on March the 17th, and he wrote: big congrats to John Burda and MMTLP community on getting FINRA to talk. Next step is to get them to listen. And he reposted this tweet of official FINRA's answer, and I made a video about this answer on just a couple of days ago. But let me show you this in details. He also added, I did MMTLP due diligence on FINRA and it's pretty clear. Look, FINRA understands that firms have adjusted short position in MMTLP to reflect an equal size short position in next breach. So basically not our problem, all the naked shorts are now in a private company. Oh, but wait. And here is the screenshot of the answer on FINRA's official letter, and let me quote you this in details. What happens if short position in MMTLP were not closed out before FINRA halted trading? And the answer is: broker-dealers have operational conventions in place for adjusting short position following a corporate action. In this instance, FINRA understands that firms have adjusted short position in MMTLP to reflect an equal size short position in next breach. In other words, an account with a short position of 100 shares of MMTLP now reflects a short position of 100 shares of next breach. In other words, the corporate action did not compel short position to be closed or extinguish any obligations associated with outstanding short position. And these statements is completely illegal, because no one can hold a short seller's position on a private company. And let me remind you that Next Breach Hydrocarbons is a private company whose shares are not tradable by any means, and this means In their own statement, they contradict to their own rules, and definitely it is another evidence of potential fraudulent activity. On top of that, let me show you another tweet. And this tweet was made by John Burda, and he wrote, MMTLP family, since FINRA has passed the blame and responsibility of closing short position on the broker-dealers, we should all be calling our broker-dealers and ask them how they are going to close out their short positions and why have they not done so already. In writing, ask them if they have more long shares on their books than they have shares allocated to them at AST. Ask if they have any short positions. Ask if they have lent out any shares. How are you, broker-dealers, going to act upon FINRA's notice that the broker-dealers are responsible for settling all short positions? Paper the file, as they say. And in my opinion, these questions are extremely important. And I have to say that I don't think that FINRA or broker-dealers can answer to these questions without harming some laws. And this means it is another weapon that we can use in our fight against this illegal activity. On top of that, let me show you another tweet made by John Burda, and 10 hours ago he published this. MMTLP lawyers sent them everything early on to make sure they were tracking with SEC process. And he reposted this tweet that was published on March 17 by RareDD, and it says, in FINRA's MMTLP FAQ, they don't include the date that Meta notified them of the next breach corporate action. Also, if you read the document too fast, it might appear they were notified December the 6th and the 8th. Seems like it's to justify how badly they worded the CA. And the hashtag release the blue sheets. And in my opinion, it is another evidence that FINRA doesn't work properly in order to protect the retail community, as they should do. And let me show you what does it mean release the blue sheets. So, blue sheet data, and we are on official FINRA website. And as you can see right here, electronic blue sheet EBS data files, which contain both trading and account holder information, provide regulatory agencies with the ability to analyze a firm's trading activity. Firms are expected to provide complete, accurate and timely blue sheet data in response to regulatory requests. Incomplete, inaccurate and untimely blue sheet data compromises regulators' ability to identify individuals engaging in insider trading schemes and other fraudulent activity. So this means we have to see this blue sheet data from all of the broker-dealers. Only this document will show us who is in charge of this illegal activity and who should be punished by the law. And definitely, in my opinion, it is extremely important for us to unite, as I already mentioned, and to fight against this illegal activity. And right now we have basically three major lawsuits that were filed recently, and we have to wait the results from judges, what they will decide in order to help and protect the retail community. And definitely we are about to see the next answer, at least for Rosa Tavel's lawsuit, and this answer, in my opinion, should be positive for retail community, because we have to push this lawsuit forward to the court. So, I think that's all information that I want to provide you. If you like my video, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel and hit notification bell, and share this video with your friends and family, and drop me a line if you like my content. So, see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gone live it